In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF in Adobe Scan app. To get started, open the Adobe Scan app on your device. If the app asks you to sign in, go ahead and log into your Adobe account. This helps keep your scans organized, and if syncing is turned on, it also allows your files to be backed up and available across your devices. Once you're inside the app, tap the camera or plus button to begin a new scan. This opens your camera so you can capture the document you want to turn into a PDF. Place your document on a flat, well-lit surface for the best results. Good lighting can make a big difference in scan quality, especially when you're working with printed text or forms. Now point your camera at the document. Adobe Scan will usually detect the edges of the page automatically. When it recognizes the document, it may capture the page on its own. If you prefer, you can also tap the capture button manually. Both options work, so use whichever feels more comfortable and gives you the clearest result. If your document has more than one page, continue scanning the additional pages one by one. This is how you create a multi-page PDF instead of saving each page separately. Try to keep each page aligned and fully visible in the frame so your finished PDF looks clean and professional. After scanning, take a moment to review everything. This is an important step because it gives you the chance to improve the final file before saving it. You can crop the pages if the borders need adjustment, rotate them if a page is sideways, reorder them if the sequence is wrong, and make any other available adjustments to improve readability. Even a quick review here can save time later. When everything looks right, tap Save PDF. If the app asks for a file name, enter one that will be easy to recognize later. A clear file name is especially helpful if you scan documents regularly and want to find them quickly. Once you save, your PDF will be stored in your Adobe Scan files. If syncing is enabled, it will also be uploaded to your Adobe account so you can access it later